Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some pumpkin spice fudge, and I'll be using our white chocolate spread, our maple compound, and our pumpkin spice extract. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is to put everything into this pot. I've got some sugar, a little bit of corn syrup, pumpkin puree, evaporated milk, and some butter, and salt. Almost forgot the salt. All right, so I'm just going to heat the ingredients to 235 Fahrenheit. You want to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. Probably a medium heat is good. I will turn this down a little bit. I think it's high. All right, this is now up at 235 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to take everything off the heat. Now I can add the white chocolate chips. This is our white chocolate spread. So we have some pumpkin spice extract and our maple compound. All right, so just stir these together until everything is melted. It's a pretty simple recipe. Once this is all stirred together, I'm just going to pour it into this mold. I have sprayed it and lined it with parchment paper. And then I'm going to let it sit for 3 hours. And I find that it's a lot easier to cut and a much nicer cut if you put it in the refrigerator after it's cooled completely, and you can leave it overnight. All right, so now we just pour it into the mold and smooth it. I'm not going to scrape the pan because I don't want to get any of the hardened sugar into this fudge. I want it to stay nice and smooth. All right. So this will sit for about 3 or 4 hours and we'll be back. All right, so this has been sitting. You can move this out of the way, and there you have a beautiful container of fudge. I like to heat the knife before I cut it, just to give it a really nice, smooth, clean cut. So this is just a wet towel to give it a nice, clean edge. This is very smooth. It's a great recipe for fudge. And if you want to use chocolate, you can use the chocolate spread. We have a lot of different chocolate spreads that you could use. We have an almond, we have a hazelnut, we have milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and of course lots of other extract flavors that you could use. If you're going to make a chocolate fudge, you could put some coffee extract in it, would be delicious, or a little bit of orange. All right, so here's our beautiful fudge, beautiful pumpkin spice fudge. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course our giveaways. You can follow us Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Amoretti. See you next time.